Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride second runner-up will receive a crown and sash, Merlion memorabilia, and 10,000 pesos cash. Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride first runner-up will receive a crown and sash, Merlion memorabilia, and 15,000 pesos cash. Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023 she will receive 50,000 pesos cash and Merlion memorabilia, a crown and sash. Miss Pangasinan Gay Pride 2023 will get a round-trip ticket via Philippine Airlines to Singapore and a 3 days, 2 night stay at Marina Bay Sands Hotel, Singapore.